Today I will speak on the Savitribai Phule. She is full name is Savitribai Jyotirao Phule. She is born 3 January 1831 Naigaon village in Satara district. She is mother's name Lakshmibai Newse Khundoji Newse. In father's name Khundoji Newse Patil. She is first second ladies teacher Maharashtra. Thank you.